As in our previous session, we deleted the record with ID equals 1. Now, when I am trying to insert or reuse the ID explicitly, SQL Server throwing an error stating that an explicit value for the identity column in table TBL person1 can only be specified when a column list used in identity insert is on. First of all, to set identity insert equals on, here is the query. Set identity underscore insert TBL person on. Command completed successfully. Let's execute the insert query again. Look, it is still throwing the same error. As it is briefly stated in error that we have to provide the list of columns explicitly. So, let's put the corresponding columns with values. Now, you may notice that insert query successfully executed and our deleted ID is reused. What if I don't specify table columns explicitly while insertion? Let's have a demo. I just provided the name and not providing ID value. We are getting the same error again. So, finally we got the point that when identity insert for table is on, we have to explicitly provide the column in insert query. Let's set identity insert equals off. Run SQL query again. And it's successfully inserted. Let's discuss another scenario. To do this, first of all I am deleting all records from TBL person 1. You can see, TBL person is empty now. Let's insert another record. Look, person ID is starting with 6 despite this fact we have deleted all records from table. What if we want to reset the table? Is it possible? Yes, of course. Here is the query to reset the table. DBCC CHECKIDENT and then the required table name within parenthesis, then reseed starting with 0. Execute this query. Execute insert query again. You may notice our table is reset and starting the from ID equals 1 again.